All right, everybody. So this is the third mission on the San Antonio Mission Reach called Mission San Juan. So as you go out from, I would say they get a little more simplistic,
Yes,
except with the exception of the, and it was the one we just left, San Jose, which was more of a military installation, like the Alamo. So maybe they did a couple of regular missions and then one that was a military barracks, because the Alamo would have been barracks and San Jose would have been barracks.
Yeah, because they had the holes for the guns.
The holes for the guns and the cannons. And this one's it's pretty big. Oh, I forgot a cowboy hat. Oh well, I'm gonna have to rough through this, aren't I?
You think I'll get it?
Nah, I'll make it. Nope, no. Stop trying to enable me. Queen of all nurturers.
I just wanted to be healthy.
No, a spider got between my glasses and my eye. A spider. And I didn't like that feeling. And then he wouldn't leave me alone. And he made a mistake and I made a mistake and we were tangled together in this mistake. So this one is definitely in ruins.
It's like, at least they're fixing this.
No, Parks Department, they're just capping it.
What's that?
Preservation. The Ranger Cat told us all they do, the Parks Department does, is preservation. They preserve it the way they're giving it. These, the cement capstones, they hold it all together.
This is nice, and you can sit and do anything you want.
You could. Very pioneering.
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, look at there, purple crawlers.
Purple passion plant.
Purple passion. I have some of that in my cactus garden.
You do have a smidgen of it in there.
It's huge now.
You know, nothing makes something more stately than trees, though.
Yeah.
Really adds to something. And I love these courtyards. I wish that I had stone. I've got 0 stone in my property.
Well, let's just keep looking for ads, because you could.
No, I'm going to make it out of earth bag and stucco it. I could make something similar to this.
Oh, the ground, you mean?
Well, and I could earth bag all the way up to like here and then get some stones on the top so you'd think it was stone all the way.
Yeah.
But, doing the grounds is the last thing I'm going to do. And I was thinking I would set it up for the aqueduct.
It says that's a private residence.
It does say private residence, so they've got it all roped off for us to walk around. I would not want to be someplace where people walk past me. Oh, it could be. Well, then they could be. Well, there's the church. It's not very big. Look at that. And again, the window's up super high. Oh, I see. And I saw those carved into the doors. Did you see that at the other
That's what it is.
San Juan? It was. Then the doors of the other one were the Stations of the Cross. So they weren't just barracks, but you could go to each one of the little rooms and get the Station of the Cross.
Here's the church. Let's go into the church.
Here's the church itself.
And then,
Very, very simple.
yes.
3 bells, but this is very reminiscent of the Alamo. Oh, I'm glad I didn't wear my hat. Nope. Oh. A different kind of love. I got 15 feet.
6, 7, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15.
15 feet. So see, they don't do the full 20 foot that my, everything's 15 foot. And then they laminated, or they carved. I'm not sure if that's one big beam or 3 beams sandwiched together.
Right.
I know. Because this one doesn't have the windows, it doesn't have the breeze. It's the same yellow walls that I want to do. I don't know, what would you call those?
It's like a rust white.
Rustic white, yeah.
Because it's not completely white, but it's not...
Kind of a canary yellow,
Yes.
but it's more white than yellow. Very
Rustic
pleasing.
canary yellow.
And we'll have to look that up. But that is what I want the walls to be. Little raised relief around the door. That's nice. See, I could do that at the end of my comics, just the simple latch times, because I can find these. Oh, I didn't mean to kick that. I'm wearing a pointy-toed cowboy boot.
And it
It's a
went
little
farther
farther
than you
than
thought.
I estimated. All right. Look like a bot. All right.
So look at that door, has the intricate carvings.
Around the edge,
Around the
yeah,
edge.
yeah. It didn't take much to add a little
No.
style. This was definitely the most basic of all churches. I want a couple of these eventually. There's a seed pond. Oh, it's a state park ride. I'd pluck that and take it with me. Yeah, you do get in trouble. It's not worth that. How would you like that as your state felony theft of something, something, something apart? And all you did was take a bean
Probably
pod
for
off a
20
yucca
years.
plant. Yeah,
Trump gets out for
yeah,
free
he's
after
still,
the 15th
he's still.
time.
I cannot. Oh, here's another diorama. You know, these were really well done. They're bronze, they're metal, they're hard for people to destroy. Now, this is
So
at
we're
the end.
here.
It should have been at the beginning.
So we're here.
Yeah. So we'll walk out through here,
Yeah, 'cause
through
the
the
restrooms
ruin.
are that way.
The restrooms are that way. All right. Now, if I kept my eyes on hill country, I could go get a little bit of this stone and do something like this. I would get enough stone to accomplish it. But I'm not going to pay for stone, you know? And look, this wall, remember how straight and true the other churches were? This wall's like, okay. Maybe this is where you sent the guy to learn, right?
Well, what it looks like is that it was redone because these are two different colors.
Oh, you're so right. I can see the restoration
so
now.
I bet you that's what that might have been.
Because they turned they turned a ruin into a facility.
Yeah. Okay.
You know, one thing that I am learning about this little trip, right? I'm talking about creating a 1,000-year home. I think I might accomplish it because what happens is they fall apart from the roof down.
Yeah.
Right? And because I'll have steel laminated then with concrete, there's nothing to fall.
Yeah.
And so these were all cedar posts, right? With some kind of a thing over them.
Mm-hmm.
And this is a burial ground, huh? Wow.
At least they reburied them.
Yeah, exactly. Or whatever people prefer.
They were removed in 1967 for an archaeological investigation. They weren't put back till 1999.
Oh, that's a long time. I don't ever want to be put in a chest. I always feel like there should be a curse of the mummies when somebody... Look how thick the walls were. That's 4 foot thick.
Yeah.
So, but serious about saying, oh, I'm going to build a 1,000-year house. It's just as a reminder that these are only 300 years old and they're already in ruins. The stone's still here, but you know, it's a survivor, not a occupied residence. So that's a good reminder. But I do think I have a good idea with the roof.